pork aje sabi aro so
we're done. Hello guys,
welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to mukbang. So PN Vlogs, he is also a YouTuber from Wanching village. Today we are going to mukbang. Rice it was simple. Aro itu pork aje sabi aro wait okay itu tai kamu aro sabi pork imam bisha aje to
okay, first of all let me highlight the recipe.
Recipe, yes.
So as you can see, this is
gravy.
soup, gravy.
Yeah, gravy.
Chew.
Yeah.
And this is here
Meat.
tender pork.
Yeah.
We are in a village. We are usually called a pork man. And this is the ribs.
Yeah.
This is
Spring onion.
spring onion.
Okay.
This is chili.
We can only eat this. No,
Yeah.
we don't eat king chili.
Because this is Raja chili, yeah, king chili. It's not seasoned, so by now we have to plug this.
Okay. So before we start, I want to say this PN Vlogs la channel moila description da hali dibo to taila channel dibi. Please subscribe ko dibi. Please help him reach you know what 10K subscribers very soon. Okay. Please moila subscribers kan kiman jun size taila channel ke subscribe ko dibi. Moila gi bi subscribe ko dibi morom bra. So this is the chew.
Okay.
Now.
First of all, let's have a short prayer. Ne?
Yeah, we'll have a prayer.
So first upon pray gulo day.
Patana guru labo day. Amen. To suru guru day.
Papa to suru guru bote. First you do pork kabide. It's not normal kodong gronable. We were saying that like this is not a challenge again because mom bari the pork to sop khatam garna pare lubi amnian biana bogi kile mom bari na amnian we were saying dekha ro like kunba pimar manuan ole kunba manuan ni pat na khane ne ebidat pia reina to tala ebidat pil kor nimide dekha dialas. So this is not a challenge.
Nana. So good. Chắc mày ăn mấy. Follow này. This chili is not spicy. You want chul? No. You know what?
Panin roll panin.
I'm all alone at home. Mala family is Nampura outstation is there. So I call up PN Vlogs because he's a very good chef. So chef, that's why. This small chili is also karam.
Perhaps I chili.
Yeah. What is it?
A1.
A1.
Yeah.
This ribs part is my favorite. But cannot eat ya, this bone.
Raja Mujabi calling the parallel na kaule.
You should not eat anything by force, na. I know.
Hello.
Because this eating and all this thing should not be a challenge.
You might get subscriber, but your drawback is
You may
your
end up,
health. Yeah, your health.
You may end up with a health issue, na. Oh, that's a good one, yeah. Eat now. Why not eating? We are not supposed to eat forcefully, nah. Let's say. But there are also some people who can eat a lot of it.
Yeah.
I'll bring water, okay?
Water.
Since I'm the younger one. Okay?
No.
For you?
Thank you.
This is for me. Can you eat this? This?
Let me try.
But we're not wasting, okay?
Sengan as well, ola singo.
Yeah.
Running roast na.
Because of this hot chili.
Running roast.
Actually, we're not a mukbanger, no.
Yeah.
We're just last.
Actually, we're not a mukbanger, so it might not be up to your satisfactory. No, we side jaga ekdam khushi bhayo.
But it's so tasty.
Those people who compete in Hornbill Festival, no?
Hornbill.
I salute them again.
Yeah.
For eating competition, no?
Give me one chili. Yeah. It's all done. Thank you. It's no spicy, isn't it? It's inventor to do, but then. And then
2 ribs gone. The fats I can take it all.
yeah,
Just try it.
no,
You're done.
okay. We'll give it to others. There are also people who want to eat now. So you're not supposed to eat everything, right? If you're enough, if you're full, yeah.
Okay, viewers, gone. We have some 3 or 4 pieces of pork. So we don't throw away this leftover food again. We just give it to our friends or neighbors.
But see, the rice is over. The ribs, mostly we used to eat ribs there. You know, ribs pisika. Okay. So
we're done.
Thank you so much. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, and also don't forget to subscribe PN Vlogs. His channel link is given in my description. Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.